What's up, y'all? It's your boy Lando, and I am the man, though. Check it out. I seen, we got another video. You know what I'm talking about. Hotel Chronicles, baby. We here. We gonna hit y'all with another Hotel Chronicles. This one is a more so for them truckers that's on a budget, right? If you're on a budget, this the meal for you. But you also gonna eat pretty clean too. See, my boy called me. He got a thing that he says it's flexitarian. It's a real thing. I looked it up. I was like, well, I'm a flexitarian. So my diet is mainly plant-based, but from time to time I'm gonna drift over here, right? So today is one of those plant-based dish, right? It's not one of the ones when I drift over here. When I say drift over here, by the way, I'm not talking about meat necessarily, because I don't go past seafood. Matter of fact, I only go past fish. I don't eat shellfish, none of that, right? So drift over here is fish for me and macaroni and cheese. Weakness. But yeah, y'all watch this one. Follow me, man. Matter of fact, I'm going to the grocery store with y'all on this one. Follow, see what's going on. Watch what's going on.
Say, man, we all about $1. Say, man, we all about this business. Say, man, you know we about our business. Say, man, it's a box truck thing. Say, man, it's a business thing. Say, man, we all about $1. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here.
I really need one of these. I don't need two of these. Just one. I don't think they sell it single. That's how you gotta bring it in here, y'all. They don't give you bags or baskets. You gotta pay for it. Hey, remember, we on a budget. Remember that. We on a budget. I know what I'm gonna make, y'all. I think I'm gonna make some vegan pasta. Yeah, unless I see something else that change my mind. Some good coconut milk. Can't go wrong with coconut milk. Don't judge me. Hey, you gotta pay for the bags at Aldi, but guess what? You get this free box though. Can't throw it away. Hey, I'm just showing you how to survive on the road on a budget, man. It's $10 right here. This guaranteed. This gonna last me at least 2 days. It could be 3 if I wanted to, but I'm greedy like that. You know? Yeah. Take a bay right there. I just put it right there like that. Yeah. Guys, what I didn't think about
How am I gonna pour this off? We gonna figure this out though. It's all good. Y'all look at my stream. Hey, yeah, I'm in the bathroom. I don't want nobody to say nothing to me. Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, that's how you drain it. Y'all, this thing is handy. Look at that. Now, I might have overcooked them a little bit, but it's all good though. Now we're about to get to the main course, you know?
All right, y'all. I just finished up my meal. I ate 2 plates. 2 plates, y'all. Under $10, 10 and under. I still got enough for 2 more plates in the pot. All right, and you see the extra over there. If I had a bigger pot, so this really can serve for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's probably like 6 people. Probably like 6 people this meal could serve for 6 people. 10 and under, man. Hey, y'all better go vegan. It's cheaper. Don't say it's more expensive, but hey. This is definitely worth it. This is about 6, this meal can feed 6 people. Excuse me. And if it's just you got 6 meals. And I eat a lot. So really, it's probably like, my first meal is about 2 meals. That's 2 right there. This one right here is probably about another one. I'm gonna say 3.5. In the pot. 1, 2, 3. Where we at again? We're like 6.5. There's about 10 meals right here. That's crazy. But either way, man, y'all tap in. My truck is out there. My people that live on the road, man. Look, you can live on a budget, man, and still eat good and eat healthy. Cause everything I bought was pretty healthy. Even the noodles was gluten free. The only thing I can say that's probably bad is the canned food, that canned tomato. I really just got the tomato because I wanted just the color and looking right. I really want a dried tomato, but it's all good. Mushroom healthy. Sweet peas healthy. Everything was healthy. So you can actually eat healthy on a budget. Can't say I ain't tell y'all, but look, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share. Make sure boy let I am the man though. Tap in. Hey.
And I ate 2 plates. Man, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and share, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lando with 9 AM. The man, dope.